So for this item, I just want to talk for a moment about Discord. So if you don't know Discord, and I'll bring it up here in another tab, it is a website. It's also an app you can load on your phone that allows you to, and if you join, you actually join in what's called the a channel. These are channels alongside of here. But this is for you, and this is the key, is to ask real-time questions of your classmates in that are taking this class with you. So, really important distinction, and I hope you hear this, is that this is meant for student-to-student communication. So imagine you're taking this class, you'll end up getting in a channel just for our class. So you'll have to ask me to add you. Once you have joined the Discord server, I'll place you into the channel that is just for our class. And then here, if you ask a question, it's only between you and the classmates. There are depending on the time of the day, there are definitely some people on this Discord server that have taken my class in the past that aren't taking this class and may not know the answer or be able to answer your question. But, the chances are probably decent because, as an example, and this is kind of what I'm talking about here, reasons to join. Let's say you have a question about something you're trying to do, because for a class, and this is actually this Discord I use in all of my classes. So it could be anybody taking cybersecurity, taking intro to web development, or taking advanced programming. They may be there and they may have a question at night, and I'm typically not somebody who's online at night at all. Matter of fact, I'm older, so I typically get offline around 6 or 7. But you may be somebody who likes to work later, which is totally fine. Like you got to lean into what works for you. So maybe you could go out there and ask a question, right? Ask a question out on the class channel. Again, once you join and you ask me to place you into that channel, then you could ask a question, and it's really, hopefully you get comfortable doing this, and then if somebody's online, maybe they could help you. Now if it's during the day and I'm not in the middle of something else or meeting with students or meetings or whatever, and I have the opportunity, I will chime in. But please use, and this, there's a lot of different reasons for this, but if you want to communicate to me with me directly, you need to do it through the Canvas inbox, not through Discord. And there's a lot of different reasons, mostly mandated by law, that they have to track communications between students and teachers, which you would want. But I can understand where somebody might think, well, I'm on Discord, I could just ask there, especially if you're somebody that's used to Discord and uses it a lot for other reasons. So I hope you join. If you want to know more about Discord, here's a link. Here's the link to actually join, because you need an invite to join. You could do that. You have to set up an account. And before you do that, though, I do want to say there is a code of conduct for the site. Okay, so I want you to, and it says Python, but this is just because the Python community is so amazing and they've taken the time. And here's really, the most important thing is, like, examples of behavior that contribute to a positive environment and examples of non acceptable behavior. So I want to make sure you understand, there's a great benefit, in my opinion, and for students that have taken my class, they tell me that it's really beneficial. You can hang out on the server after the course is done. I often post various information about classes and jobs that I hear about. So do consider joining. Just understand the parameters of which I do offer this Discord up. And please let me know if you have any questions. Like in this case, message me directly if you have any questions about it. It is not required. Okay. It is just suggested, especially if you're somebody that works late in the evening, and know that I don't. I hope this helps. Thanks. Consider joining.